How to see data uses in notification bar on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can see data uses in notification bar in just few simple steps. So first things first, open up the settings and go to connections. Now scroll down and tap on data uses. Now, to show the data uses in notification bar, you'll need to toggle on your mobile data. So swipe down your notification bar from the right side and you'll need to toggle on your mobile data first and then go ahead and tap on billing cycle and data warning. And now you'll have to toggle on the set data warning and set data limit. Once you have toggled both of these on, then you can see the data uses on your notification bar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.